Maru Oiba bill ani passed Toubaga Loinana Lupa Crore Lising ani Chanipan Marifudra Nipan gi Senpham allocate TOUKHRE Manipur da Leiba PR Lingak Ningtina Chalaiba Ngamdaba ngasi Lok Shaba da GST Amendment Bill amadi Appropriation Bill 2025 passed TOUKHRE Bill ani asi state asigi financial maintaining amadi administrative continuity ga mari lenina passed Toukibani hari The Manipur Good and Services Tax Amendment Bill 2025 asi handakta GST Council na approve tauduna nauna semtokpa GST framework ka punna chatminnaba yaba bill ni bill passed over to the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman na phongdokibada Manipur da hauzik leriba fiba masida amendment asi yaudrabadi khudong chadaba kaya mayuknaba yana leire haiba wafam thamki
उसके खिलाफ वोट कर रहे हैं उसके खिलाफ वोट कर रहे हैं ये मणिपुर जनता सामना समझना चाहिए so I rise to move
Aujla ji please Aujla ji
I rise to move to leave
you should have
take I'm 20 E's for introduction sir
Manipur Mantri ji
20 E's for introduction
item number 20E
yes that is for introduction
20
you're all right with it okay I rise to move for leave to introduce a bill to authorize payment and appropriation of certain sums from and out of the consolidated fund of the state of Manipur for the services of the financial year 25-26. I rise to move that the bill to authorize payment and appropriation of certain sums from and out of the consolidated fund of the state of Manipur for the services of the financial year 25-26 be taken into consideration.
FNCC na chathariba